Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with CASETiFY's brand new Clear case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The Clear is the slimmest case in CASETiFY's collection with a crystal clear back and crystal clear sides. It offers 6.6 feet of drop protection and looks absolutely beautiful on your iPhone. Let's take a closer look. So if you're familiar with CASETiFY's cases, probably one of the first things you're going to notice about the Clear is its crystal clear sides. So this is really quite unusual for a CASETiFY case. Usually CASETiFY cases have a clear back and colored sides, but this one has a clear back and clear sides. So this is really going to do a great job in showing off your iPhone. It's also treated with something called UV Defender, which is going to keep that crystal clear look a whole lot longer. They've tested this extensively and it should do a great job in staying clear against UV, against coffee, wine, mustard. They've tested it against a whole bunch of nasty staining things, and it stays beautiful and clear. So just a lovely case. This is CASETiFY's slimmest case in the collection. It's going to offer 6.6 feet of drop protection, has 65% recycled content, and you've also got MagSafe that comes standard with these cases. Overall, just a lovely case. It's not as grippy as CASETiFY's other cases, but as long as you're okay with that, there is a lot to love with the Clear. Putting your phone in the Clear is slightly tight but not bad. You want to start on your left-hand side, put your top and your bottom corners in, then go over to your right-hand side and then press on your right-hand corners. You might want to go over to your left-hand side again, make sure that those are fully in place as well, and then you should be in good shape. So once you get this on, you have a stellar fit on here. There is no give over your buttons. There's no give over your port opening areas. Everything is absolutely fantastic. They did a great job with the fit here. As far as the amount of lip is concerned, you have a protective lip around the screen, even if you have a tempered glass screen protector in place, which is what I do. So I have an edge-to-edge screen protector on here by Zag, the Zag Glass XTR2 screen protector, which is an outstanding screen protector. CASETiFY also has screen protectors, which are going to work with this. They've got a nice blue light blocking screen protector that I have on my iPhone 14 Pro. There's also a 14 Pro Max version, which I'm sure is going to be great with this. But even if you have a screen protector on here, you can see that you still have sufficient lip. And of course, if you didn't have a screen protector on here, you'd have even more lip. So overall, just a great fit on the phone, great fit with the Zag Glass XTR2. Looking down here at our port openings, these are perfect. So we got asymmetrical port openings for an asymmetrical port design. You've also got a great fit here for your lightning port. Should be able to fit many third-party lightning cables, but of course this case supports both regular Qi wireless charging as well as MagSafe charging, so you might find that you're going to use that less than you otherwise would. So going around the sides, we've got this really cool bubble design on here. So I think that this is extra protective material that you can see through here, which is making the bubble design. But I just think it looks absolutely great here against the phone. Just gives extra interest. Overall, just beautiful. And of course, you can see the color of your phone beautifully through here. Going up here to our buttons, these are different than CASETiFY's typical buttons. You don't have a slit button design. Instead, you have floating buttons here. They are extremely responsive, they work great, absolutely no issues. Looking here at our mute switch access, nice and easy. I don't think anyone's going to have any trouble with that unless they have really large fingers. And then looking at the view from the top, again, we got a great fit here, as you can see, with the Zag Glass XTR2 screen protector. Everything looks fantastic. Going over here to our side button. Again, our side button is extremely responsive. Everything works really well. And then going down here at the bottom, you can see the recycling statement as well, saying that the case is made of 65% recycled content. Looking at the back of the case, this crystal clear material does a fantastic job in showing off the beauty of your iPhone. I don't see any watermarking anywhere. Everything looks just lovely, and of course with the UV Defender component, it's going to stay looking lovely longer. It's going to resist discoloration from UV rays as well as from other staining type materials like red wine, etc. Just a lovely clear case. So this type of material is going to be prone to scratching, and of course it's going to show fingerprints. You've got to be aware of that. Also, the design of the Clear does not have the small bottom and top ridges that other CASETiFY cases have, which help combat scratching. So that is a little bit of a disappointment with this case, but it does make the case look sleeker. And if you're worried about fingerprints and scratching, you might want to consider getting one of CASETiFY's print cases because you tend to notice scratches and fingerprints less. So for those of you that might not be so familiar with CASETiFY, CASETiFY has an absolutely enormous graphics library that you can choose from. You've got print collaborations with artists, you've got anime, you've got animals, you've got collaborations with various brands. You've just got an amazing number of print options to choose from. And there's no extra charge for going with a print case as opposed to a plain clear case, so I think it's definitely something to consider. It's a great way to personalize your phone case. So as far as protection for your rear camera is concerned, everything looks great here. We've got a raised rim to protect the camera, and you definitely have lay on the table design protection here. Everything looks great. And as far as wireless charging compatibility is concerned, you're going to be able to use this with regular Qi wireless charging. And of course, being a MagSafe case, you're going to be able to use this with Apple's MagSafe charger as well. So we've got a good amount of magnetic adhesion here, basically the same as with Apple's MagSafe cases. You're also going to be able to use this with other MagSafe accessories like Apple's MagSafe wallet. That's going to work great. And of course you can also use this with MagSafe power banks like this one from Anker. Really great combo here. The Anker one is particularly fun because it comes with a stand. So overall, just a great case option here from CASETiFY. Removing this case from your phone is going to be a little bit more difficult than putting it on in the first place. You're going to want to start in your top right hand corner, push that off. Then go down to your bottom right hand corner and push that off, and then pull out your phone. So besides print cases, one of the fun personalization things that you can do with CASETiFY's cases is go with one of their custom text cases. So let's put one of these on the phone. I think that this is a particularly nice use of CASETiFY's cases. So of course this is going to be exactly the same as the plain clear case we looked at. So you have the same absolutely fantastic fit on here, no give anywhere, very secure, same lovely slim look and feel. Not a lot of grip on these cases, but they are beautiful, fantastic buttons, nice amount of lip on here. Got that 6.6 feet of drop protection, got your recycled content, just a lovely case. And then when you look at the back, you have that lovely personal touch with the custom text. I think everything looks great there. So these make a great gift. They are fun and easy to create. You can choose your font color, you can choose your font type. You can go with horizontal text, you can go with vertical text, you have between 3 and 8 letters to work with, and one of the templates even allows you to go with up to 3 lines of text. So you can really make this case your own. And in my experience, everybody loves getting a personalized gift, and a personalized phone case is a great choice. So if you're stuck looking for the perfect gift for somebody, maybe a personalized CASETiFY case is the way to go because it's just a great looking case, very nice and protective, and super personal. Again, we've been looking at the Clear by CASETiFY for iPhone 14 Pro Max. This case is available directly from CASETiFY and is priced at $82. You can go with a plain clear case or one that's personalized with custom text, but you also have the option to choose a print from CASETiFY's enormous graphics library, and all these options are available at no additional cost. These cases are relatively pricey, but you can save 15% by using the affiliate link, especially for my viewers, www.casetify.com/thetechreviewer. Many thanks to the kind folks at CASETiFY for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and do consider hitting that subscribe button because I have a lot of tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.